Hey guys, this is Priyanka and welcome to my channel Priyanka's Vlogs. So please excuse me आपका अगर background में थोड़ा noise आ रहा है because my house is just next to the road. So ऐसे आपको थोड़ा आवाज़ आएगा. I'm so sorry for that. So if you're watching me for the first time, let me tell you my name is Priyanka. I upload video on travel, food, shopping, DIY and much more. I love what I do and if you like it too, then make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Today's video is all about the junk jewelry haul, the one which I am wearing right now. I really like this kind of jewelry and I don't shop it from any particular area. Sometimes I buy it online, sometimes I buy it from any street market, sometimes I buy it from any shop. So all my collection I'm gonna show you today. So what's it, friends? Let's get started. First one is the one which I am wearing right now. This one is the oxidized one. It has a black color bead, a big bead inside, and yes, it is giving me a quite antique look and it can go well with your western outfit, it can go well with your ethnic outfit. So this is something which I really like. And this one these are the earrings which I have paired it with this neck piece. This I have got it from Bandra Hill Road Market, and this I have got it from Irla Market in Parla West in Mumbai. They're around 150 rupees. There was a discount going on in a shop. I went there, I got this for 150 rupees. Next one is this one. I really like this neck piece. This is a quite maroon color neck piece. It is not even red. It is maroon. It has a lot of beads inside it. If you can see a bit closer. It has a lot of beads inside it with 3 different sizes. I really like this one. You can pair this one with a white kurti as I'm wearing right now. You can pair this one with western outfit. You can pair this one with any of the outfit and it will actually give you a very different look. This one I got from Bandra Hill Road Market in Mumbai, and surprisingly this cost me only 120 rupees. Next necklace is this one. I really liked this necklace. This I can pair it with a t-shirt, this I can pair it with a plain t-shirt, I can pair it with a kurti, I can pair it with a short kurti. So this is something I really like. It has a kind of mirror kind of beads inside and it has a complete oxidized look. This is something very interesting to buy. The earrings that I can wear with this necklace, these are really cool earrings. I really like them. These are oxidized ones. These kind of earrings you can also wear it during Navratri. They give you a very nice and ethnic look, and yes, if you pair these two together it will actually glam up the look. Got both of them from Parla West Illa Market, and this one cost me 150 rupees and the earrings cost me 100 rupees. So total 250 rupees you get a complete set. This one is again a long neck piece. This is something you can pair up with a dress, you can pair up with a t-shirt, or you can pair up with a kurti, and this is something I really like. It's multicolored. If you can see, they have a lot of colored beads in that, so it can go up with any color, mostly some English colors. If you can see, English colors would match best with this, so this is something I really like. This I got these owl shaped earrings. These are really cool. It is resembling an owl, and yes, I can pair up with this. This is something they are really matching with each other. And these earrings, you can't believe, I got it only for 50 rupees. I got it from Colaba Causeway Market, and this neck piece I got it for 100 rupees. This is again from Colaba Causeway Market. Whatever markets that I'm mentioning in this video, I'll put all the address in the description box below. You can go and check those addresses and then you can visit and buy your favorite junk jewelry. Next one is this. This is quite elegant. It is again multicolored. You can pair it with any of the colors, or you can pair it with white kurti, white short kurti, or white dress. Then this would definitely go with that. So this is giving a quite of an ethnic look to your outfit. Next one is this neck piece. I'm sure this is quite common. I have seen a lot of girls wearing such kind of neck pieces, and this will really go on if you have a deep neck dress. This one is something very different. It is actually giving you a boho style look. copper colored earrings would definitely go with this kind of neck piece. It will give you a very classy and western look. This neck piece I got it from Bandra Hill Road Market, and surprisingly this design had become too common, but I still liked it and he gave me only for 50 rupees. I just cannot believe it. I could have bought one more, but this was enough for me. Next I want to show you my jhumka collection. These are the white color jhumkas and these are the long oxidized jhumkas. They both have actually impressed me too much. This I can wear it on any of deep neck top, or I can wear it on any of kurti. That will go on, I guess, all the colors. Black on black, definitely on white or black it will definitely go well. And this I can pair it with any of the white color kurti or white color top. These are really different ones, and these I got from Colaba Causeway Market. I got this only for somewhere around 100 rupees, and these earrings I got it from Parla West Idla Market. I got it only for 80 rupees. So I got it from a street vendor. You can go and buy it from there, or you can check any local market if you want to buy such kind of long jhumkas, specifically oxidized jhumkas. Nowadays you get a lot of these color pom-pom earrings. These are too good. I can pair this with a blue dress, with a white kurti. I can pair it with any of the contrast color, and yes, surprisingly, if you have a red and blue combination, you can pair these earrings with that. They are really cute. You get in all different kind of colors, you get in all different kind of designs, so definitely you can go and buy these earrings. I got these earrings from Parla West Idla Market and I got it only for ₹75. These earrings you must have seen in my Jizza Jewels video. I have uploaded a video on Jizza Jewels and I got it from them. These are really cute ones. I wanted to show, and I included these earrings in this video because these are again the oxidized one. They have two colors in that. They have a pink color beads and they have green color beads down here, and they really go well with any of your matching kurti, or you can even pair it up with a white kurti, because white kurti is something you can wear any color on that. If you have a matching leggings with any of your kurti, then these are something you must go and buy from Jizza. I have posted the link of this video in the description box, so you can go and check that video. But yes, if you want to buy this, you have to definitely contact Jizza. This is all about my junk jewelry collection. I have not purchased any heavy neck piece or any heavy jhumkas. I like simple elegant jhumkas. I like simple elegant neck pieces, so these are those which I have purchased. Fashion jewelry is quite in trend right now, and every college girl, every teenager, even office going girls I have seen wearing these junk jewelries, and they actually look really classy. So go and buy them if you are a junk jewelry lover. And yes, I will end the video here. Hope you liked this video. If you did, then hit that like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram. That's Priyanka's Vlogs. And yes, keep watching my videos. I hope you like it. And if you have any comments, then comment down below and let me know if you have any questions for me. So take great care of yourself, love yourself, and stay happy. Bye bye.